How to log out TikTok from other devices. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on TikTok application. Now just wait for a few seconds until it loads, and as you do that, you can simply tap on the profile option at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on the profile option at the bottom right corner, you can simply see the hamburger icon at the top right corner as well. Select on the hamburger icon and then select on settings and privacy. As you tap on settings and privacy, you'll be able to see the option of security and permissions over here. Select on that. As you select on security and permissions, you can see the option of manage devices. Select on that again. Now under manage devices, you'll be able to see all the devices that you have logged in your TikTok account to. Now if you want it to be logged out of other devices, you can simply tap on the delete option, tap on remove, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.